I'm going to make a recording of how to make a return for a customer that is uncomfortable using computer. So I'm actually doing it for her. And so I'm going to record my screen as I do it. And we'll show that. Then I go to my link of my website. And then I'm actually going to sign out. I am the artist, Seint Artist, and I'm signing in with the customer's email and her password to her account so I can do the return for her in her account. Then you scroll down to the bottom and it will say return. Click on that and then scroll down again and then you start a return. And what you put in here is actually, it's the invoice number that came on the invoice in the box. And then her email. And then next. And then the reason for the return. And then confirm. And then next. And then you click on this to print it on your printer. And then you would submit, and that will make it a go. So that's all you have to do. And that will do a return for your customer that's not comfortable using the computer. And so this will work good for her. Anything to help customer service. We're all about that.